Okay students, today we are going to see exercise 13.2 on page number 267 of lesson 13 symmetry. Now here you can find it out. There are two questions, question 1 and 2 with the figures given. So these first two questions I am continuing in the textbook itself, and you also have to solve in the textbook only. Now question number 1, I read through the question. Find the number of lines of symmetry for each of the following shapes. Now here you can see some of the shapes are given. We have to find out that how many lines of symmetry you can draw in it. So for the very first is a square. So how you are going to draw? See, this is, I already had drawn, but for your knowledge I'll just show you. This is the line, symmetry of line. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So in a square, how many lines of symmetry can be made? 4 lines of symmetry can be made. Line of symmetry, whenever I say, that means it should divide a particular object or diagram into equal parts, remember. Okay, now second again is in a form of square only. So here also there will be 4 lines of symmetry. This is line, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Hopefully this is clear to you. Again we have a cross. Here also we have 4 lines of symmetry. This is 1, in that between vertically this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, right? So that 4 lines of symmetry makes in a cross but divides the shape of figure into equal parts. Now here you can see there is a object or a figure of a boy or a cartoon, right? How many symmetries can be made in it? Only one. That is vertically it is only one, because another, when you make a line which is not possible, only a line of symmetry, but it will not divide a particular figure into equal parts. So only one line of symmetry is possible. Now here you can see there is a hexagon given here. Here also 6 lines of symmetry are possible. This is 1, that 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 lines of symmetry in question number E. Now F. Again here 6 lines only are possible for the lines of symmetry. This also is a hexagon only, but a star drawn in it. Now you can see G, figure G. Here I cannot make any of the lines of symmetry. This is a 0 line, so no line of symmetry is possible in it. In the same way you can see here in the figure H. Here also I cannot go with the line of symmetry that helps the figure to part in a 2 equal parts. So here also 0 lines or no lines of symmetry is possible in figure G and H. There is no for the options G and H. And in figure I there are 5 lines of symmetry. I just show to you. First, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth. So 5 lines of symmetry in figure I. Hopefully this is clear to you. Now I am coming on to question number 2. Here they had given the triangles. Also here you have to mention in numbers how many lines of symmetry is possible and which type of triangle do it belongs to. Now you see the triangle given in shape A, figure A, sorry. Now here the triangle, this is a triangle, if you see, is equal from all the 3 angles or sides. So what we will do here, we have 3 lines of symmetry. This is 1 which divides triangle into 2 equal parts. This is second, that again divide triangle into equal parts, and this is third line of symmetry that also divides triangle into 3 equal parts. And whenever we had gone with the parts, they are equal in measures. All the parts are equal in measure. So this is equilateral triangle. Now figure B. when I had divided this triangle into two, means here 3 lines of symmetry are possible for figure A. In B, 1 line of symmetry is possible. You can see in between that divides triangle into 2 parts, but here 2 parts are same and 1 is different. So this is isosceles triangle. Now here you can check easily in figure C. This is a right angled triangle because this line is exactly 90 degrees. So only 1 line of symmetry is possible in right angled triangle. So 1 line of symmetry is possible and right angled triangle. And this you can see a triangle, but it cannot be divided with the help of a line of symmetry. Symmetry means same. If I draw this here a line of symmetry, one will be the part will be somewhat smaller than the second part. So this is not possible at all. So 0 line or no line of symmetry, and this is a scalene triangle. Hopefully this is clear to you.